Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to develop the models by using the some of the commands I will explain. Go into the home and you can observe the solid and union and solid subtract and the solid intersect. I will explain these three in this tutorial, and let's get started. You can observe on the solid editing, you can observe the three commands. You can observe the subtract and the union and intersect. I'm changing the views to conceptual. You can observe the southwest isometric I'm selecting, and the conceptual I'm with some of the examples I will explain. I'm clicking on the box, and one of the box is created, but one of the solid model is created. And next I want to create the one of the sphere on the end of the any of the endpoint. You can develop the sphere like this by intersecting the two objects like this. One of the sphere is completed and the box is created. You can observe on the scene. Select the two objects like this. I'm copying the object for to explain the union and the subtract and the intersect. This same object I will explain what is the difference between three, and go on to the union. This is the individual objects. The one is sphere, one is object. Select the first object and select the second object, nothing but a sphere, and click on enter option. You can observe the two objects are created into the one object. You can observe select objects one found and two total, and you can select the object. The two objects, one object is highlighted because the two objects are created into the one object by this. And next one is solid subtract command, and go into the subtract sub, enter the shortcut of the command prompt, what are the operations I'm performing, and select the first object and select the second object like this. You can see the some of the material is subtracted, the sphere is subtracted from the box. Then you can observe this type of one of the removal material is created on the box. By this example I will explain the intersect operation. You can observe the creates a 3D solid and intersect command, and click on the intersect and click on enter option. Then you can observe select the object and select the second object and click on enter. So the intersection, where is the intersection point, that material will highlighted, the remaining all of the material will remove by this. These are the difference between the subtract, intersect and the union commands. These are the difference I'm explaining with the same example. This tutorial is very helpful for the beginners to develop the different types of objects by using these commands with different types of dimensions you can give, not only the default dimensions. This is a tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD 2016. These are I'm selecting the conceptual view, nothing but a style, and the view is southwest isometric. You can give the different types of views as you wish. By using the 3D F orbit, you can revolve the objects like this on the 360 degrees positions anywhere you want. You can observe on the top of the left side, you can observe the views, and the parallel and the perspective options are also there. By using these options, you can create the different types of 3D models by using these 3D commands. This is the basic 3D commands I'm explaining 2016.